If you're a tech enthusiast, you know that drones are the epitome of cool gadgets. They're not only fun to pilot, but they also provide a unique perspective that can capture breathtaking photos and videos. With affordable options now available, owning a drone is no longer limited to the pros. There's a drone for everyone, whether you're a beginner just starting or a seasoned pro looking to upgrade. And for the adrenaline junkies, there's even a whole racing scene to explore. So get ready to elevate your photography and flying skills to new heights with our top picks of the best 5 drones in the world. This is Tech Trends, your fascinating tech channel. Number 1. DJI Mini 2. Imagine a world where you can soar through the skies, capturing mesmerizing moments from breathtaking heights. Well, the DJI Mini 2 drone can make that dream a reality. This sleek and compact drone is a powerhouse of innovation, packed with features that'll leave you in awe. First, let's talk about the resolution. The DJI Mini 2 boasts an impressive camera that captures stunning photos with a resolution of up to 12 megapixels. Whether you're capturing vibrant landscapes or candid shots of your friends, this drone ensures that every detail is crystal clear and vivid. Now, let's address the burning question on everyone's mind: price. Surprisingly, the DJI Mini 2 offers incredible value for its capabilities. With a price tag of $439, it's an affordable entry point into the world of aerial photography and videography. Gone are the days when owning a drone meant breaking the bank. Battery time is crucial when you're out exploring and capturing stunning footage. The DJI Mini 2 doesn't disappoint in this department either. With an impressive battery life of up to 31 minutes, you'll have plenty of time to fly, capture, and explore to your heart's content. Say goodbye to the days of constantly rushing back to recharge your drone. When it comes to range, the DJI Mini 2 truly spreads its wings. It offers an impressive maximum flying range of up to 10 kilometers. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about its video resolution. The DJI Mini 2 supports video recording at an astounding 4K resolution. That means you can capture footage with exceptional clarity, vivid colors, and stunning detail. Whether you're creating cinematic masterpieces or sharing your adventures on social media, this drone delivers unrivaled video quality. Number 2. DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S drone is a top-of-the-line option for drone enthusiasts. This incredible device boasts an impressive 5.4K video resolution, allowing you to capture stunning footage that rivals even professional-grade cameras. With a price point of around $849, it's certainly an investment, but its features make it well worth the cost. When it comes to battery time, the DJI Air 2S drone does not disappoint. You can expect up to 31 minutes of flight time, giving you plenty of opportunity to explore and capture your surroundings. The flying range is also impressive, with a maximum distance of 7.5 miles. This means that you can venture out further and explore more remote areas with ease. One of the standout features of the DJI Air 2S drone is its ability to capture HDR photos with a resolution of up to 20 megapixels. This means that you can capture even the tiniest details in your shots, giving your photography an added layer of depth and clarity. The DJI Air 2S drone also boasts impressive obstacle avoidance technology, helping you to navigate safely through your surroundings. This technology is especially useful when flying in areas with a lot of trees or other obstacles that could potentially damage your drone. The DJI Air 2S drone is an excellent choice for those who are serious about capturing high-quality aerial footage. While it may be a bit pricier than some other options on the market, its features and capabilities make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to take their drone photography to the next level. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Looking for a drone that won't break the bank but still packs a punch? Look no further than the DJI Mini 3 Pro. This compact drone is perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike, with a price tag of $909. One of the most impressive features of the DJI Mini 3 Pro is its high-resolution camera. With a 12-megapixel sensor, and 4K video resolution, you can capture stunning footage from up high. And thanks to its compact size, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is incredibly portable, making it perfect for on-the-go photography. In terms of battery life, the DJI Mini 3 Pro can fly for up to 30 minutes on a single charge. This means you'll have plenty of time to capture all the aerial footage you need without worrying about the battery running out mid-flight. When it comes to flying range, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is no slouch either. With a range of up to 10 kilometers, you can explore far and wide without losing connection to the drone. This makes it perfect for capturing footage of remote locations or exploring natural wonders like mountains or oceans. In addition to its impressive camera specs and flying capabilities, the DJI Mini 3 Pro also features intelligent flight modes like Quick Shot, which automatically creates a cinematic video with just a tap. Plus, with its compact size, you can easily bring the DJI Mini 3 Pro along on all of your adventures, whether you're hiking through the wilderness or exploring a new city. Number 4. DJI Avata. The DJI Avata drone is a true marvel of technology. With its 4K resolution camera, this drone can capture stunning aerial footage that will take your breath away. One of the standout features of the DJI Avata is its impressive battery life. This drone can fly for up to 28 minutes on a single charge, making it perfect for longer flights and more complex missions. And with a flying range of up to 4.3 miles, you'll be able to explore the skies like never before. In terms of video resolution, the DJI Avata does not disappoint. Its 4K camera can capture ultra-high-definition footage with stunning clarity and detail. Whether you're filming landscapes, wildlife, or anything in between, you can be sure that your footage will look amazing. But the DJI Avata isn't just about capturing great footage. It's also incredibly easy to fly, with intuitive controls that make it a breeze to pilot. And with a top speed of 42.5 miles per hour, you can get your drone where you need it to be quickly and easily. Of course, there are other factors to consider when choosing a drone, such as price. And in this regard, the DJI Avata excels. With a price point of around $1,168, it's a great value for such an advanced piece of technology. Number 5. DJI Mavic 3. When it comes to drones, the DJI Mavic 3 is an absolute game changer. It's packed with impressive features that'll leave you in awe. First and foremost, the DJI Mavic 3 boasts an exceptional camera resolution of 20 megapixels. With its advanced imaging capabilities, it captures stunning visuals at a resolution that'll make your jaw drop. Every detail is beautifully rendered, allowing you to create professional-grade content with ease. With its $1,949 price, the DJI Mavic 3 is positioned as a premium drone. While it may require significant investment, the features and capabilities it offers are worth every penny. For example, when it comes to battery time, the DJI Mavic 3 doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a high-capacity battery that allows for extended flight sessions of 46 minutes. You won't have to worry about cutting your adventure short due to a low battery. Soar through the skies and capture breathtaking shots for an impressive duration. In addition to its remarkable battery life, the DJI Mavic 3 also boasts an impressive flying range. With an extended range and top flight speed of 21 meters per second, you can explore vast distances and capture footage from unique perspectives. Talking about video resolution, the DJI Mavic 3 sets the bar high with its outstanding video capabilities. It records videos at an astonishing resolution of 5.1K that'll make your visuals come to life. Every frame is crisp, vibrant, and incredibly immersive, allowing you to relive your experiences in stunning detail. As you can see, the DJI Mavic 3 is a powerhouse drone that excels in every aspect. While it may come with a premium price tag, the experiences and visuals it delivers are unparalleled. And there you have it, folks, the best 5 drones in the world. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. Let us know your pick in the comments below. Like this video if you enjoyed the content and subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest tech trends. Thank you for watching.